first Wānanga was held at Ōnuku. This was to try and bring all the kids together. We timed it, the group from the Canterbury University. We were looking at cleaning up the harbour with fresh water.
I can remember going back, we used to have a big cook-up on the beach in the early hours of the morning when the All Blacks were playing South Africa. We used to get all set up down here before that and get the flounders, and somebody would be cooking the flounders while the rest of them are still dragging. We had great nights out here.
Because we've got all of this area, we've got the sea, it'd be great to be able to teach the young ones, you know. They don't have to be fishing, but something to do with the sea.
That's why we're trying to kick it off again, get them out here and show them what to do in that, and I hope it'll come back to what it was again.
We had a Wānanga out here and we went fishing for flounder. I asked 30 kids while we're cooking the flounders, I said, who likes fish? And only 3 put their hand up out of 30 kids. And I thought, what? Must be something wrong with this picture. So I asked them all why, and they said it was the smell of the fish they didn't like. I said, well, do you like fish and chips? Oh yeah, we like fish and chips, but we don't like fish. So I thought, it's time for us to have a Wānanga. Mahinga Kai is something we've been always brought up on. And so that's been passed down to me. So it's time for me to pass it down to the kids. Because I think, you know, you can't take it away with you. Ōnuku's in the Akaroa Harbour. We have 4 rūnaka around the Horomaka, that's Banks Peninsula. Our boundary line is hapū right round past the hilltop to the South Heads and back and down to the sea on the inside of the harbour. We've been here since time began.
What I saw as a young kid and was around was always being able to go down to the wharf and see the uncles down there. You know, maybe they've come up from Timaru the night before and go down and they'll chuck you a feed of fish to take down to mum and dad. In the last 5 years, there's been a lot more red cod that I've seen in the harbour. So most of my learning of fishing was through Dad and presumably through his father and grandfather. It was from catching tuna te wairewa and te waihora and also setting nets here in the harbour, to crayfishing, being taught how to set pots and where to set pots, where to set nets, how to gather power and mussels. You only need to take enough to feed the whānau, because you know hopefully it's always going to be there the next time you come back.
Mahinga Kai for us here is gathering of kaumatua, and for our kids to know what time of the year to go, where to go to, and be successful. successful in getting a feed for themselves and their families. Now, out of the 30 kids, there's maybe 15 that'll eat fish now, so it's served its purpose.